Hi friends, I am Bahasab Nudunge, Assistant Teacher of Sri Dokeshwar Vidyalaya, Dr. Dokeshwar. First welcome in the 10th class. Subject Mathematics Part 1, 5th chapter Probability. We know that in previous lecture we have learned introduction of probability, random experiment, outcomes, sample space, etc. and some problems based on that. Now today we are going to study इव्हेंट. त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण घटना असं म्हणतो, इव्हेंट. नाउ व्हॉट इज मीन बाय इव्हेंट? Very easy. Event means any subset of a sample space is called an event. आपण sample space पाहिलेला आहे. Collection of all outcomes, that is the sample space. आणि सॅम्पल स्पेसच्या उपसंचालाच आपण या ठिकाणी इव्हेंट म्हणणार. वी नो दॅट व्हॉट इज मीन बाय सबसेट. वी ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इन 9th स्टँडर्ड. सो सबसेट ऑफ अ सॅम्पल स्पेस इज कॉल्ड एन इव्हेंट, और इन अदर वे a set of all favorable outcomes is called an event. Favorable outcomes, if we take any random experiment and if we get a outcome which we have a favorable, then the set of all such favorable outcomes is called an event. Hence an event is an outcome of an random experiment. Events are denoted by the capital letters, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, etc. Now consider some examples of a event for some random experiment. First, consider the random experiment. Two coins are tossed. We know that we already studied in previous lecture these random experiments. Let A be the event of getting at least one tail. Here a sample space S is equal to H, HT, TH, TT. We know that sample space for a random experiment, two coins are tossed. Now see here, what is the event A? Definition of event A here is getting at least one tail. कमीत कमी एक काटा मिळणे. So see here, in sample space which sample points contain at least one tail. See, in HH no tail, in HT one tail, in TH one tail, in TT at least one tail. There are two tails but at least one tail. So in event A there are in curly bracket EHT, TH and TT, EHT, TH and TT. Therefore NA is equal to 3. Number of sample points in event A is equal to 3. Consider another example, throwing a fair die. Let B be the event of getting an odd numbers. We know that if we throw a fair die, then the sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 sample space. 6 sample points in yes, and event B is equal to 1 3 5, because what is the event B? Getting an odd number. Which are the odd numbers in yes? 1 3 and 5, these are the odd numbers. 2 4 6, these are the even numbers. So 1 3 5, these sample points are in the event B. So event B is equal to 1 3 5 and NB is equal to 3. Now some more information. Types of an event. Which are the types of event? Certain event, then impossible event, simple event, complementary of an event, mutually exclusive events, and exhaustive events. So these are the some types of event. हे काही या ठिकाणी अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये नाही आहे. या ठिकाणी विद्यार्थी मित्रांनी याची नोंद घ्यायची. फक्त अधिकच्या माहितीसाठी हे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. नाउ कन्सिडर practice set 5.3. Question is, write sample space S and number of sample point in S for each of the following experiments. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write NA, NB and NC. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी प्रत्येक एक्सपेरिमेंट साठी संच स्वरूपात यस, संच स्वरूपात इव्हेंट ए, संच स्वरूपात इव्हेंट बी, संच स्वरूपात इव्हेंट सी लिहायचा आहे. त्यानंतर एन एस लिहायचा आहे, नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉइंट्स इन यस. नंतर एन ए लिहायचा आहे, एन बी लिहायचा आहे आणि एन सी लिहायचा आहे. कन्सिडर द फर्स्ट random experiment. One die is rolled. Event A is even number on the upper face. Event B is odd number on the upper face, and event C is prime number on the upper face. So consider the solution. See here, we know that what is the random experiment? One die is rolled. So we know that if one die is rolled, then the sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see here, there are 6 sample points, so NS is equal to 6. Now what is the event A? Even number on the upper face. Now which are the even numbers? See, 2, 4, 6. These 3 numbers or 3 sample points are even numbers. Therefore A is equal to, in curly bracket, 2, 4, 6. So there are 3 sample points, 1, 2, 3. Therefore N is equal to 3. Event B, what is the event B? Odd number on the upper face. Odd number. Which are the odd numbers in sample space? Yes, because event is a subset of a sample space. इव्हेंट हा सॅम्पल स्पेसचा सबसेट आहे, म्हणून या ठिकाणी इव्हेंट मध्ये असणारे घटक हे सॅम्पल स्पेस मधलेच घटक असणार आहेत. सॅम्पल स्पेसच्या बाहेरचे घटक चालणार नाहीत. सो विच आर द ऑड नंबर्स? सो 1, 3 and 5, these are the odd numbers. So B is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 3, 5 and NB is equal to 3. What is the event C? Prime number on the upper face. Prime number. Which are the prime numbers from the sample space? See, 1. 1 is not a prime number. So 2 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, and 5 is also a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, these three numbers are prime numbers. So yes, C is equal to, in curly bracket, 2, 3, 5, and NC is equal to 3. So this is the answer. Yes, A, B and C are in set form, and NS, NA, NB, NC. Now consider the second example. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. Event A, the sum of the digits on upper faces is a multiple of 6. Event B, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10. And event C, the same digit on both the upper faces. Now solution. Look at that. If 2 dice are rolled simultaneously, then the sample space S is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. In first row, number on the first die is fixed 1, 1, 1, 1, and so on. And the numbers varied on the second die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first row is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly, in second row, number on the first die is fixed and numbers varied on the second die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and so on. Similarly, in third row, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So here, 6 into 6, that is 36 sample points. So NS is equal to 36. Now what is the event A? Event A is defined as the sum of the digits on upper faces is a multiple of 6. Digits on the upper faces, sum of the digits on the upper faces is multiple of 6. दोन्हीही डायच्या वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर मिळालेल्या अंकांची बेरीज ही 6च्या पटीत पाहिजे. Now see here, the minimum sum is 1 plus 1, 2, and the maximum sum is here 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So between 2 and 12, that is up to 12, which numbers are multiple of 6? So 6 and 12, these two numbers are multiple of 6. So we have to find the sample points such that the sum of the digits on the upper faces is 6 and 12. So see in the first row, sum of 1 and 5 is 6. So 1, 5. In the second row, sum of numbers 2 and 4 is 6. So 2, 4. In third row, 3 plus 3, 6. In fourth row, 4 plus 2, 6. In fifth row, 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 6. And in the last row, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So 1, 5, 2, 4, then 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1 and 6, 6. These are the sample points contained in event A. So A is equal to 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 6. Therefore, NA is equal to 6. Then what is the event B? The sum of the digits on upper faces is minimum 10. दोन्ही फाशांच्या वरच्या पृष्ठभागावरील अंकांची बेरीज कमीत कमी 10 असणे. You know that the maximum sum is 12. We have to find the sample points whose sum on the both die is minimum 10. That is sum is 10 or sum is 11 or sum is 12. 10 बेरीज येणारे सॅम्पल पॉइंट, 11 बेरीज येणारे सॅम्पल पॉइंट आणि 12 बेरीज येणारे सॅम्पल पॉइंट असे 3 बेरजा येणारे सॅम्पल पॉइंट आपल्याला या ठिकाणी शोधायचे. सो सी हियर इन द फर्स्ट रो नो सॅम्पल पॉइंट whose sum is 10 or 11 or 12. In the second row, no sample point. In the third row, no sample point. In the fourth row, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So 4, 6. In the fifth row, 5, sum is 10. 5, 6, sum is 11. Then 6, 4, sum is 10. 6, 5, sum is 11. And 6, 6, sum is 12. So there are sample points 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sample points. Therefore NB is equal to 6. Now last event C, the same digits on the upper faces. Same digits means 1, 1, 2, 2 and so on. So there are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. These are the 6 sample points in event C. So MC is equal to 6. So in this way, S, NS, A, B, C, NA, NB and NC. Now third example, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Condition for event A to get at least 2 heads. Condition for event B to get no head. Condition for event C to get head on the second coin. Now solution. We know that if 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then the sample space S is equal to HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. First sample point HHH. If we change one H or replace T here, then HHT. Then vary T in second position, in first position, then HTH, THH. If we replace 2 tail in place of H, that is HTT, we have a sample point HTT. Now vary H in the second position, in third position, so THT and TTH. Now lastly, change all 3 head and replace all 3 tail, so TTT. So these are the 8 sample points. So NS is equal to 8. Now condition for event A is to get at least 2 tails. At least 2 tails. कमीत कमी 2 हेड पाहिजे. जास्तीत जास्त 3 चालतील. So find out sample points from S such that it contains at least 2 heads. So in HHH 2 head at least, HHT, THT, HTH, THH. In these 4 sample points, there are at least 2 heads. So event A is equal to, in curly bracket, HHH, HHT, HTH, THH. So first 4 sample points from sample space, yes, and Na is equal to 4. Now condition for event B, to get no head नको पा या ठिकाणी एच मध्ये हेड आहे, इथं हेड आहे, इथं हेड आहे, या ठिकाणी हेड आहे, या ठिकाणी हेड आहे, हेड आहे, हेड आहे. In last sample point no head, so TTT. So event B is equal to TTT. So elementary event singleton set, and MB is equal to 1. Last condition for event C, to get head on the second coin. दुसऱ्या कॉइनवर हेड पाहिजे. पहिल्या कॉइनवर काय आहे याच्याशी काही घेणं देणं नाही. दुसऱ्या कॉइनवर काय आहे हे पण महत्वाचं नाही. तिसऱ्या कॉइनवर काय आहे हे पण महत्वाचं नाही. दुसऱ्या कॉइनवर हेड पाहिजे. टू गेट हेड ऑन द सेकंड कॉइन. सो H, so first sample point H, second sample point no head. THH, head on the second coin, no head on the second coin. So we want HHH, HHT, THH and THT. These are the 4 sample points. So C is equal to, in curly bracket, HHH, HHT, THH, THT. So NC is equal to 4. So S, NS, A, NA, B, NB, C and NC. Now consider the fourth example. Two-digit numbers are formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. या 5 अंकांपासून 2 अंकी संख्या तयार करणे. Condition for event A, the number formed is even. Condition for event B, the number formed is divisible by 3. And condition for event C, the number formed is greater than 50. Now solution. See, we know that as we have to form 2-digit numbers, 0 cannot be at the unit place. Because if we take 0 at the unit place, at 10 place, 0 cannot be at the 10 place. Because if we take 0 at the 10 place, then that number is not a 2-digit number. So the sample space S is equal to 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, in the first 5 2-digit numbers, we fixed 1 at the 10 place and vary the remaining numbers at the unit place. एक हा अंक दशक स्थानी फिक्स केला आहे आणि उरलेले अंक 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 हे एकक स्थानी व्हॅरी केले. Similarly, fix 2 at the 10 place and vary the remaining numbers at the unit place. So 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. That is 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. Similarly, fix the 3 at the 10 place and vary the remaining number at the unit place. That is 30, 31, 32, 34, 35. And similarly, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. Similarly, fix the 5 at the 10 place and vary the remaining numbers at the unit place. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Repetition not allowed here. So 1, 1 means 11, 2, 2 means 22, 3, 3 means 33, 4, 4 means 44 and 5, 5 means 55. These numbers are not allowed. Therefore, NS is equal to 25. Now, condition for event A, the number formed is even number. Now, we know that even number, if 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are at the unit place, then that numbers are called even numbers. So, 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. These numbers are even numbers. So subset of this sample space S is equal to, that is A is equal to, what is the event A? What is the event? Subset of a sample space. So event A contains 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54 and so on. So N is equal to 13. Now condition for event P, the number formed is divisible by 3. Now here we know that what is the test for divisibility of 3? If the sum of the digits in a number is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So from S, see, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 is in multiple of 3. So 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, then 42, 45, 51, these and 54. These numbers are multiple of 3, that is divisible by 3. Therefore B is equal to, in curly bracket, 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 42, 45, 51, 54. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So NB is equal to 9. Now condition for event C, the number is greater than 50. Which numbers are greater than 50? So 51, 52, 53, 54. These 4 numbers are greater than 50. So C is equal to, in curly bracket, 51, 52, 53, 54. So NC is equal to 4. So here S, NS, A, NA, B, NB, C and NC. Now consider the last example, 6th example. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, 5वं उदाहरण आपल्यासाठी या ठिकाणी ठेवलेलं आहे. आपण ते त्या ठिकाणी वाचायचे आणि आपल्या वहीमध्ये सोडवायचे. So 6th example, 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. Condition for event A, to get head and an odd number. Condition for event B, to get head or tail and an even number. And condition for event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Now see here, we already studied in previous lecture this random experiment. 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. See, we know that if 1 coin is tossed, then the sample space is HT and NS is equal to 2. And if 1 die is thrown, then the sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and NS is equal to 6. Now, if a coin is tossed and a die is thrown simultaneously, then we have to mix these two sample space, or combination of these two sample space is S is equal to, that is the sample space S is equal to H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. जर आपण या ठिकाणी कॉइन वरती हेड फिक्स केला आणि या ठिकाणी डाय वरचे नंबर जर आपण व्हॅरी केले 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, तर H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 हे 6 सॅम्पल पॉइंट मिळतील. आणि कॉइन वरती जर आपण टेल फिक्स केला, टी फिक्स केला आणि जर डाय वरचे नंबर आपण व्हॅरी केले 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, तर हे 6 सॅम्पल पॉइंट मिळतील. 6 आणि 6 12. So ns is equal to 12. Now condition for event A, to get head and an odd number. कॉइन वरती हेड आणि डाय वरती ऑड नंबर मिळाला पाहिजे. कॉइन वरती हेड म्हणजे पहिले 6 सॅम्पल पॉइंट आणि त्यात ऑड नंबर पाहिजे. मग ऑड नंबर कोणते आहेत? 1, 3, 5. सो H1, H3, H5 these are the 3 sample points. So A is equal to in curly bracket H1, H3, H5 and NA is equal to 3. Condition for event B, to get a head or tail. हेड चालेल, टेल चालेल and an even number आणि डायवर मात्र इव्हन नंबर पाहिजे. मग हेड चालेल म्हणजे पहिले 6 सॅम्पल पॉइंट, टेल चालेल म्हणजे पुढचे पण 6 सॅम्पल पॉइंट आणि an इव्हन नंबर त्यातले त्यात समसंख्या पाहिजे. सो H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. So B contains in curly bracket H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. So NB is equal to 6. Now condition for event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Number on the upper face is greater than 7. डाय वरचा नंबर 7 पेक्षा मोठा पाहिजे. आपणास माहित आहे डाय वरती फक्त 6 पर्यंतच नंबर आहेत. देयर इज नो नंबर ग्रेटर दॅन 6 ऑन अ डाय. सो दिस इज द इम्पॉसिबल इव्हेंट. So C is empty. C is equal to 5. That is C is empty. That is no sample points in C. So NC is equal to 0. So in this way, yes, NS, A, NA, B, NB and C, NC. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी आपण थांबणार आहोत. आज आपण या ठिकाणी इव्हेंट म्हणजे काय, सेट ऑफ ऑल फेवरेबल आउटकम्स और सबसेट ऑफ सॅम्पल स्पेस. तर इव्हेंट म्हणजे काय आपण पाहिला आणि इव्हेंटवर आधारित असणारा जो सराव संच आहे 5.3 प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.3 हा आपण या ठिकाणी आज सोडवलेला आहे. या ठिकाणी आपण थांबणार आहोत. परंतु विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जर आपणास या ठिकाणी व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर या ठिकाणी लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.